What's up, guys? So I have a love-hate relationship with creditkarma.com. Okay, so they're the big player as of the past few years. If you remember, freecreditreport.com was they were the big player about 5-7 years ago. So creditkarma.com. Okay, there's a few things that I really like about them. Number one, they will send you free email alerts when changes are happening to your credit report. I think that's extremely valuable. Okay, so if there's any changes on your credit report, you get a nice little email just alerting you. I think that's super, super important. I have an account with them personally. So that's good, and that's very, very valuable. The other thing I like about Credit Karma is that it's free. So free is good. All right, so that's that. Now, let me talk to you about what I really dislike about Credit Karma. And I feel like it's actually pretty misleading. The scoring model that they use is called Vantage Score 3.0. Okay, so I'm assuming most people realize that FICO is the standard, at least in the banking industry. So the scores for Credit Karma just don't mean anything because no banks are using Vantage Score 3.0. So if you log into your Credit Karma account and you look at your actual score, right underneath you'll see Vantage Score 3.0. And that's a clear indicator as far as why the scores don't mean much. So especially if you're in a real estate world, if you want to find a home for yourself, you have to start with a lender. Just have a lender pull your report so that you get a quote-unquote real credit score, and that's always a good starting point. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful.